radio inventors. I hope you find to know the development of wireless the true interest in the same year Marconi and Andrew Carnegie. 100 years later, ask any two people about who. But was it really Marconi? For 3 years, while he also gave welcome to all of you. Please subscribe our TV for more updates. Earlier we discussed story of radio invention. Today we will discuss radio inventors. Yes, inventors. Even there is a fight for patents between radio inventors. I hope you find it interesting. So the invention history of the radio is not only interesting but rather long as well. If you ask who invented the radio, probably you will get the name Marconi. But was it really Marconi who invented the radio? Well, you have to determine for yourself after going through the journey of the invention history of the radio. To know the development of wireless, it is crucial to first track the event that led to the discovery of electricity. Though there is early documentation, it was in 1600 that electricity as a science had its beginning. It began when Dr. William Gilbert, Queen Elizabeth's personal physician, invented electroscope which could detect electromagnetic energy in the human body. Gilbert coined the word electricity. From there, a lot of researchers and scientists had their hand in the development of this wonderful field of science. Radio first started as wireless telegraphy. The true interest in wireless began with the invention of the telegraph in 1837 by Samuel Morse. The telegraph required wires, which was a bit expensive proposition during those times. The real experiments that led to the discovery of the radio started with the Heinrich Hertz. A few call him the father of radio because in those days radio waves were called Hertzian waves. In the race to invent the radio, two men, a Serbian-American scientist Nikola Tesla and an Italian scientist Guglielmo Marconi, went head to head. However, even today or 100 years later, ask any two people about who invented the radio and I bet you will probably get two different answers. This story is perhaps a foggy one that is a mixture of scientific discovery with lawsuits and some old-fashioned marketing. Tesla invented the induction coil or the Tesla coil after he came to the US in the year 1884. A Tesla coil is a device required to send and receive radio waves. In about 1895, unfortunately, Tesla laboratory was completely destroyed by fire when he was preparing to send a radio signal about 50 miles to the West Point, New York. Whereas Guglielmo Marconi showcased radio communications feasibility. He was fascinated by Hertz's discovery of the radio waves, that he realized it could be employed for receiving and sending telegraph messages. He referred to it as wireless telegraph. Tesla applied for his first patent for his radio work in 1897 in the US. He also constructed and demonstrated a radio control board at the Madison Square Garden in the year 1898, and this was where things started getting sticky. In 1900, the US Patent Office granted Tesla with patents for the fundamental design of the Tesla coil. The radio patents offered to Tesla gave him the ownership over of the major necessities in radio communications. Toward the end of the same year, Marconi filed a patent for tuned telegraphy. The patent office first denied Marconi's application, saying that his work relied on the use of Tesla coils. In the year 1901, he transmitted the first transatlantic telegraph. Marconi continuously applied for the patent for 3 years, while he also gained financial support from company investors like Thomas Edison and Andrew Carnegie. Finally, in 1904, the US Patent Office strangely reversed its earlier decision and gave Marconi the patent for the invention of the radio. After a lot of lawsuits, the US Supreme Court restored Tesla, who had died a few months earlier, as the inventor of radio. However, many people still believe that Marconi is the father of the radio. That is all for today. Keep watching our TV for more updates. Thank you. Radio inventors. I hope you find to know the development of wireless the true interest in same year, Marconi and Andrew Carnegie. 100 years later, ask any two people about who. But was it really Marconi? For 3 years, while he also gained